Every day, food and beverage production facilities manage employees, contractors, suppliers, delivery vehicles, and visitors. Without a unified identity and access solution, maintaining security, food safety, and regulatory compliance becomes increasingly complex. Introducing Splan, a unified physical identity and access management platform that streamlines identity management, secures access, and simplifies compliance across your food and beverage production facilities. Truck management streamlines inbound and outbound logistics with seamless license plate recognition, LPR-based access control, enabling faster, secure vehicle entry and exit. With physical identity and access management, automate the entire identity lifecycle by managing onboarding, role-based access, approvals, and credentials for employees across production plants, warehouses, and restricted processing areas. Visitor management system streamlines the visitor journey with pre-registration, digital check-in, badge printing, and controlled access for auditors, inspectors, vendors, and business guests. Contractor management ensures only qualified personnel gain access by verifying certifications, safety training, compliance requirements, and site approvals before work begins. Mobile credentials enable secure, touchless facility access using smartphones, replacing traditional access cards while improving convenience and operational efficiency. Security Insights provides real-time visibility into access events, compliance status, and operational activity through centralized dashboards, supporting informed security decisions and regulatory audits. Mustering enables rapid emergency response with real-time personnel accountability, ensuring faster evacuations and enhanced workforce safety. Splan integrates seamlessly with access control systems, ERP platforms, HR systems, identity providers, Active Directory, and enterprise security technologies, creating a connected food and beverage production ecosystem. Protect your workforce, secure your production facilities, simplify compliance, control access, empower a safer, smarter food and beverage production operation with Splan.